Hello everyone, welcome to Scientific Life. I am your host. Today I am unboxing LG LED TV. Let's open the box. What we can see inside the box. Here is some manual, short manual, and this is our long manual. And this is plasma wall mount for hanging TV on the wall. You can see. Uh, and this is our TV. Let's put it aside and let's see the bottom of the box. And inside the box, what we can see here is TV stand and plastic. TV remote control, and this is our adapter, and this is VGA cable for connection to PC or laptop. That's all inside the box. And this is our TV 178-degree view. It's supported with the USB. That's all. Thank you for watching. Like, share and